Hold on. Ha
The modern rogue learns how to flip butterfly knives.
You know what this is? Besides showing off?
It's a butterfly knife.
Yes, also called a balisong, where they originated. You know where they originated?
Balisong, Sweden.
Not bad. It's
I'm not good at languages.
the Philippines. They came from the Philippines. Click-clacks, fan knives they're called. There's all kinds of fancy ways to open them. I don't know whether or not these are gonna be legal for half the people watching right now.
I went to 9 different places in the city of Austin. Everyone gave me like 9 different answers.
That's amazing.
Like, it's not legal. Well, it's legal, but you can't be caught with it. I was like, what does that mean?
It sounds like it's not
yeah.
legal if that's the
It's like,
case.
we don't sell them because they're illegal, but you can find them at the flea market. I heard that 2 times.
Here, I'll show you all the steps for this. All right, so before we begin, we of course have to do disclaimers. Make sure to check your local laws about whether it's legal to have butterfly knives. If you want to practice, I don't recommend starting off just with an actual blade. You should use a trainer. They're like $4 or $5. You can get them off of Amazon. You can make your own using popsicle sticks, or for the longest time, I practiced with my Leatherman. I figured out that if you covered it in WD-40, it would get loose enough that you could actually do all of the steps for the butterfly knife without having any risk of injuring yourself.
That is good. We should also say, don't stab people.
Oh, yeah, what he said. So this is the tiniest, cutest, littlest 4-inch baby blade. You're gonna start with it in your right hand, and your pinky should be able to disengage the lock on it. So when you fling it forward, the side with the lock is gonna go forward. That's the side with the blunt edge, so that you can keep going back and you don't have to worry about it cutting you. That sharp edge should never get close to any of your body parts. So the first move, basically you're gonna flip out, and now you need to get to here, but that would be lame. Instead, what you're gonna do, you're gonna flip out, you're gonna rotate over, and then you're gonna flip back. To close it, same thing. You're gonna go forward, you're gonna flip it over, and then close it. This one's a little bit trickier because it's coming back in and you don't want it to pinch anything. So you're gonna wanna kind of cradle it in your hand so that it's able to just go like that. So it's basically 3 clockwise rotations. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
That's super easy. That is way easier than I thought.
Yes!
As usual,
and then at this point,
I was making it way too hard.
Or if you kind of choke back on it, then the knife is gonna want to direct itself in the right way. If you get too choked up on it, then you're kind of forcing it and you're not letting the natural flow, but it should be. And when you get the timing just right, it's like it never really stops. It's just all one big swinging loop.
That's it.
That's it. All right, now here's what I want you to do. I want, here, let me get to.
I want you to stab me as hard as you can.
You're just gonna flip out, then you're gonna flip over, and then up. That's it.
Easy.
And then the reverse, go forward. There you go, flip over, and then back. You got this. Now, of course, there are way fancier ways to do this, but this is kind of the most standard, simplest version. Oh, that was scary. This is why you practice with a trainer. Look at you, you're a beast. You rule the nights. These streets belong to you, Jason.
I'm Batman with a butterfly knife.
Does Batman have a butterfly knife?
Batman's got everything.
Okay, fine. That's you. You have everything.